That dark line going there, that goes right into the pituitary gland, okay? So you have radii solaris hitting it. And on the right eye, you can see also a dark line, okay, right in the pituitary gland. So you have pituitary gland issues. And this dark spot here hits the medulla and the sex impulse of the brain. You can see the whole brain section is full of mucus. So in this eye, notice a few things. See that dark line there? That's a skin ring. It means your thyroid is weak. It means you're not sweating properly. It also means your kidney filtration is weak as well, because when the kidneys can't filter out waste, the skin takes the burden. But skin is not efficient, so you get that skin ring. You have a lot of lymph stagnation. You see that cloud-like structure, the white turning to yellowish. That's lymph stagnation. And subacute level also means potential candida and sulfur. You see those fine lines leaching out of the pupil, that's radii solaris, indicates toxic tunnels of waste leaching out to other body parts and glands, especially the brain section. So you got a lot of stagnation in the brain. Okay, it's turning to the yellow orange side. That's sulfur and candida. Okay, so it needs to be cleaned up. Right here is the upper back region, right here is the middle back region. You can see you have drug deposits there, okay, and move to the chronic side. And right here is the uterus and the vagina region. You can see also chronic. I'll use the female reproductive formula here. Right here is where the kidneys and adrenals are located. Look here, the kidneys are moving to the chronic side, and the adrenals are right here. These need to be cleaned up. Use the kidney tincture, adrenal tincture, and possibly kidney tea and a second kidney tincture, because if the kidneys don't filter, you get this thick white lymph stagnation occurring and getting harder. Okay, right here is where the groin is located. You can see it's also compromised as well, so this needs to be cleaned up as well. And in this left eye, you can also see again lymph stagnation, thick lymph stagnation. If you look closer, you see those beads, like rosary beads going around the eye. That's lymph stagnation of the lymph nodes. Okay, it's moving to the your lymph nodes are swelling again to the heart side. You should fix this. Your bowels, you see that the orange over there, that's sulfur candida. You have a dark malabsorption ring around the pupil. That indicates you're not absorbing nutrients properly due to mucal plaque in the small intestines. The brain section again is full of mucus. I'll use neurological 1 tincture and a circulation tincture. And right there, that dark spot right there, that's the heart. Okay, also full of mucus, and move it to the chronic side. I'll use circulation tincture here. And this dark spot here hits the spleen. Okay, the spleen is the main organ that cleans the blood. This spot right here hits the ovaries and testes region, the pancreas. So right here, the pancreas, here is ovaries and testes. And right here is a weak kidney. See that dark spot? So use a kidney tincture and kidney tea. Right here, the adrenals, also very weak. You need to address this. Okay, and this dark spot here hits the middle back and upper back region. That needs to be cleaned up as well. So you can see that overall, a lot of mucus congestion, a lot of lymph stagnation in the eye. The bowels need to be cleaned up. The brain's full of mucus. The whole body is affected with lymph stagnation. So 100% fruit diet and the herbs I just mentioned will be the best bet in cleansing this up.